Question is, can I atone for my sin? Yes, Vedic scriptures do prescribe so many processes and ways for atoning from the sin. I'll give answer at two levels. So the first level is, yes, we can atone for our sins. In Nectar of Instruction book, Srila Prabhupada, in the very first verse, he mentions that any other processes to atone for the sin, they are external. And he gives the analogy of Kunjar Shauchavat. And elephants, if he take bath and again come out and again throw some sand on his body, then that taking of bath is of no use. And there afterwards, Srila Prabhupada says that many times people in the Western world, they go to church and they pray to the God on Sundays that please atone for our sins, please eradicate, make us free from our sins. And then again they go and then start committing sin, and again they confess on the next Sunday. So the real process of atonement, Srila Prabhupada writes there, is attainment of knowledge. So once person comes to real knowledge that I should no more commit sinful activities, it's like taking bath in a river, holy deep. Why we take holy deep? Sometimes people say that just to get rid of some sinful activities, people take bath. But after taking bath, when you come out and again start performing sinful activities, then that taking bath is like taking bath of an elephant. It's like Kunjara Shochavat. That is of no use. So real atonement can happen only when we reinstate ourselves in our original position, that is understanding we as soul and not the body. That is real atonement. This is one thing. And second thing is that sometimes people say that whenever there is some atonement provided, then what happens? You are committing more. We are promoting people to commit sinful activities. I'll commit sin, and because there is a process by which I can get rid of this. But I give the regular example of no, when I open a hospital, I am not promoting diseases. What I am promoting is disease-free life. So similarly, scriptures are there to help us. Like the mission statement of Vedas, what it is? It says, Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. No one should attain dukkha and everyone should become happy. This is the mission statement of Vedas. So when we turn towards Vedas, our life will be definitely happy and blissful. Thank you.